Hi, I'm going to go over how second graders are expected to add 3-digit numbers with each other. So in class, they've been taught 3 different ways to add 3-digit numbers. So first, if we look at the problem here, the problem is 395 plus 132. So let's start with our first method, base 10 blocks. So I'm going to tackle the first number here, 300, 390, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 395. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're going to add 132. 132. So right off the bat, I can see that I have an overflowing number of tens, and I know that every time I get more than 10 of either ones, tens, or hundreds, I need to regroup them and move over to the bigger place value. So I know that 10 tens make 100, so let's double check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I'm just going to group them, move over to give me a new 100. So my answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 1, 2, 520, 7. So when I do math for the other strategies, my number or my answer should all equal to 527. Next, we have the written equations. So for this part, I like to add all my hundreds. 300 plus 100. Then I'm going to do my tens. 90 plus 30. Then lastly, my ones. 5 plus 2. 300 plus 100 equals 400. 90 plus 30 equals 120. And 5 plus 2 equals 7. So if I add all of these together, I have 7 ones, 2 tens, and here I have 527. Lastly, on the number line, I'm going to start, this is an open number line, so I'm going to start putting my biggest number at in the beginning of the number line. Then I'm going to split this actually by their place value for me to add. I'm going to start with the biggest number first at 100, so that would give me 495. Then I'm going to add 30. That's 4. So you need to understand that every time we add a 10, the hundreds change with it. So just look at the tens and the hundreds, okay? So 49. So I'm just going to do this. If we add 10, it will be 50, or 505, another 10. Remember, just look at the tens. And then lastly, 525. And don't forget your ones at 2. 525, 526, 527. So my answer is consistent for all 3 methods: 527, 527, 527.